Got myself a nice little charger for at my house to charge up my GoPro 9 through 11 series batteries. It says it fast charges. Probably gonna do a different video on that. Hoping it does. This is how it came from Amazon. Should be able to fast charge. I don't really have a charging problem, but I need one where it slides into my pocket. Link will be in the description below. There is another model that's like this that has the plug on the bottom of the unit. I've had that one for my older GoPros and I did not like it because every time you're charging it, it has to sit on its side and it was really touchy. We've got USB-C to USB-A. Looks about 4 foot, 3 foot. This is light. It's nice. That's all that's in the box. Rattles. Output 4.4 volt, input 2.4 amp. Type C. This won't even stand up by itself either. Might as well got the other one. But it's nice that the USB goes into the side. 3 indicator lights. Nice wide hinge. Oh, it's because it does the older batteries. So you can put your older batteries in there with this and then put it in. And it will charge all GoPro batteries, basically. I don't have these anymore, but that's cool. Put them to the side. What I do have is GoPro 9 battery. That's how well it fits in there. No, fits way better than that other brand I had. Doesn't rattle. It's a magnetic lid. Looks like there's a magnet on both sides right here. Put one more in there, make sure it fits them all. Yeah, fits them all. Nice. Do another video on how fast it charges compared to the factory one. Which here's the factory. It's the one that came with my 9. I'll try it out. You can pull them out without using the tab. It's easier to use the tab. At least you can pull out the middle one. And then 2 slots for micro SD cards. Thanks for watching.